Over the past decade, cloud computing became the go-to option for computing and data storage for thousands of companies worldwide. Generally speaking, it has several advantages compared to the traditional on-premise data center. The most notable are cost efficiency, both capital and operational, improved mobility, the time it takes to bring an application online, increased collaboration capabilities, and adaptable provisioning based on shifts in processing demand. Taking these advantages into account, cloud computing is becoming increasingly popular. Despite these amazing benefits, we're also seeing a change in the industry and markets. Keep watching to find out more. Public cloud alternatives. While public cloud computing and storage can have several advantages, there's a recent trend of shifting specific workloads into private cloud, hybrid cloud, local data center colocation, and to edge environments. It appears in the speed to take advantage of competitive offerings, businesses were likely unaware of the suitability of their data in a public cloud environment. They were also unaware of how it would impact the well-being of their applications or compute strategies. 451 Research has named the transition from public cloud computing to private clouds and other compute environments as cloud repatriation. Based on this trend, we would gather that your teams might also be having similar conversations as to what service or product offerings may best fit your growing operations needs. Analyzing various options. Any business decision, especially those that are IT related, that are not thoroughly analyzed, researched, and tested are bound to struggle long term. Before deciding on transitioning your workload out of the public cloud and into other available solutions, we'd recommend a thorough conversation and contemplation to determine the needs of your business. If you've run your applications or data storage on a public cloud and had less than stellar results, a change in the cloud environment may be called for. The most common issues that occur when running compute or storing data on a public cloud are related to security compliance and/or levels of latency due to traffic congestions and inconsistent application execution. Another factor to consider when looking at various options is to determine whether your applications are required to move large amounts of data quickly or have experienced hiccups when network latency and adequate connectivity are not available. If your compute and/or applications suffer from these latency issues, a move to a private cloud or carrier-dense data center may be in order. While public cloud computing and storage are typically a stable platform for next-gen technologies, it may lack certain capabilities for controlled edge computing and IoT data transmission due to network latency and required local processing. Diversified computing and services. In the end, it all comes down to the particular needs of your business and its IT operation. Organizations of various sizes are finding that one size does not fit all, and solutions made up of various services, including on-premise, colocation, and hybrid public cloud environments, are all appropriate depending on the needs and constraints of each business. We've listed a few factors worth taking into account when considering cloud repatriation of your data and application resources. Do you waste resources on public cloud space or compute resources that are not currently being used? Do you experience performance and latency issues when moving data assets? Is it accurate to say that you need to fulfill specific compliance and regulatory standards when storing large data sets? Is your IT staff large enough to handle various maintenance needs of your workloads? If your team would like to further the conversation about the specifics of your operation and your desire to optimize the various solutions that are available, contact our team online at rack59.com/contact us. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.